Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the area so hair grips the thread. This reduces irritation and gives a clear guide. Once done, cut a 2-inch length of cotton thread and tie a small, tight ring so it won't slip. Make a double knot and trim the tail to 0.5 inch. Next, hold the ring between index and thumb on each hand and twist the middle section 6 to 8 times to form the working coil. Position it over the brow where you want the first removal. You now use the open-close scissoring motion to trap hairs. Slide the coil under the hairs, then close by separating your hands so the twist pinches and pulls. Make sure to pull the skin taut with your free hand to reduce pain and prevent skin from lifting. Once you catch a line of hairs, flick the coil away in a quick motion following the hair growth direction. Repeat in small sections toward your natural arch for precision and symmetry, keeping even tension throughout. You finish by stepping back and checking symmetry in natural light. Use short, careful passes to refine the edges rather than large grabs. Once satisfied, soothe the skin immediately with aloe gel or a cold compress to calm redness and prevent inflammation. Avoid alcohol or harsh aftershaves. If you remove too much, don't panic. Tweeze single stray hairs for tiny corrections, or let the brow regrow for 1 to 2 weeks for larger fixes. Remember,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.